We are unable to hear few videos in the one more class. So with your permission, I am going to record the session in both the classes. Again, my kind advice, don't use mobile phone in the charging mode. That means phone charge illana yara charge போட்டுட்டே உட்கார்ந்து அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகேவா? Yes, exactly 9:32. Okay. Can anyone summarize the last class? Only 5 points. What we have seen in last class. Quick. Else I will point anyone to tell. Hello? Dear students, are you there? Hello? Am I audible? Yes. Anyone summarize what you have seen in the last class? Then we will get into the class immediately. Only 2-3 points what you have seen. Okay. This is a we need to point out someone, I think so. Okay. Praveen ETE. Can you summarize, Kanna? Can you tell me 2-3 points? Yes, very good.
Yes, sir. So first of all, we see that Raspberry Pi, sir. You tell, sir. Then we taught Bridge Course about Bridge Course, sir. So then finally you said to log in, if you able to log in the Tinkercad, sir.
Have you tried that one, Tinkercad?
Yes, sir.
What you did in that?
Sir, I simply log in and only,
so, okay. Can you be able to create your own account there?
Yes, sir.
Already you have created.
Yes, sir. I log in and created account, sir.
Very good. So
using mail ID.
Okay. Very good. Thanks a lot. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Let me ask one more question. How many of them created your own account in Tinkercad? If you yes means please type Y in chat box. How many of them created your own account in Tinkercad? How many of them created? If you have created, please type Y in the chat box. Else, no issue. Today we are going to see in detail, then you can do it by your own. Okay, very good. Bharat Kumar, Praveen, then no means no issue. Here also, Pooja tried, very good. Kartika tried, very good. Very good. How much time you took to create your account? Can you tell me? Let me ask Kartika 322. எவ்வளோ டைம் ஆச்சு அக்கௌண்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு? என்னென்னலாம் கேட்டுச்சு சொல்ல முடியுமா? வாட் ஆர் ஆல் த இன்புட்ஸ் வி நீட் டு கிவ் தேர்? கார்த்திகா? ஓகே. Name, password. Is it ask any Gmail login or Facebook like that? Is this ask anything? Okay. What ID you have used? Have you used your Gmail default mail ID or something else? Okay. We didn't ask the mail ID. You used your default Gmail ID. So there are two ways to get the account. There are multiple ways to get the account there. If you have a Gmail account, that is more than enough. Then I asked, since we are going to study this thing in a curriculum pattern, we will provide you separate classroom. For that, we will give some classroom code and nickname and all. With the help of that, you can join and do the exercise. Okay. The primary motive of the Bridge course was to expose you to the thing what you have lagged in your school days, because you only told that we are lagging laboratories. We need to learn a lot from laboratory. Yes, that is the one thing. It is the activity based learning. Once you do whatever thing you are studying, it will help you to understand very well. Okay, with this I am going to enter into the today's class. Today's agenda is very simple. We are going to see this diagram once again. Can anyone tell what are these two images? What is in the left hand side? What is in the right hand side? Can anyone unmute yourself and tell what is left hand side image and right hand side image?
So left hand side image was experimental diagram, sir. Then right hand
Okay.
side image was circuit diagram, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Can anyone give a clap to him? Please unmute yourself and give clap to him. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. See the first pictorial diagram. First one is the pictorial diagram. Pictorial diagram is nothing but a snapshot. See, if you do some circuit diagram, if you take a photocopy, it will take. Sorry, if you take photo, it looks like almost it will look like this, isn't it? So here they try to make the circuit diagram with the help of the actual images. But the right hand side is the one, it is called as a circuit diagram. Why it is called circuit diagram means this is going to replicate or it is going to give the information what is available in the left hand side in different form. What are all the new techniques or what are all the things we have used here is we are going, the point number one, we are going to replace all the elements with the help of its corresponding symbols. That is the clue behind this. So symbols means what? These are all the symbolic representation of your actual component. Say example, this is my the battery actual image. What is the symbolic representation? One lengthier line, short line, then lengthier line and short line. So already you have studied these symbols in your physics. We are not going to talk much theory here. Simply I am going to skip from here. The takeaway point from this slide is here we are going to introduce electric circuit. Here how to draw the electric circuit? By using symbols we need to draw. And one more thing, what is the meaning for these lines? Can anyone tell? What is the meaning for these lines? These symbols you know, this is lamp, this is switch, this is battery.
Sir, interconnected wires, sir.
Very good. That's all, that's all. Hereafter, you want to represent any connecting wire, simply draw one line. That's all. How simple it is, you see. So due to the purpose only, the circuit diagram is very much popular. Okay. Now, the second one. What is this? Can anyone tell? Whether it is a circuit diagram or picture or animation. What is? Okay. Then I gave three options: image, circuit diagram, animation. What is this? Whether it is the image or video. Whether it is an image or video. Video, that's all. That's all.
Video.
So this kind of animations are available to show more than two conditions. See here, if you see, my switch is in off state only, isn't it? Here, my switch is in close, therefore my lamp glows. But here, I can show more than two state. Whenever my switch is in off state, my lamp is off. Whenever I close the switch, my lamp will get turned on. So animation gives you the wonderful input to our brain to get multi information from the single slide. That is the beauty of the video and this kind of animations. Okay, now you know why we have introduced video from the image. Okay, so video is nothing but a more number of images put together. We will make it in the single slide. One after another it will appear. Okay, then voltage source. Okay, hereafter please take pen and pencil. No need to write much theory in your notebook. Simply write the new words what we are going to pronounce. That's all. Okay. Please, everyone take one notebook. Next regular class onwards, you have to put separate notebook for our electric circuits class. Don't put 80-page note, put some one square note. Okay, that and all we will tell you later. At this point of time, take some rough note, no issue. Put today's date, and take the key pointers, voltage source. Can anyone tell what are the things available in front of you? Can anyone unmute yourself and tell me? Battery. Okay, then. Okay, motor. Okay, very good. That's all. but only one thing is the wrong. This is not a motor. Can you find what is this? It is not motor. It looks like a. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Very good. Who told that answer? Generator. Rajaguru. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Generator. So voltage source means what? Means we are going to produce some energy. Okay, we are going to produce some energy. That energy we are going to utilize it to make the things to work. So what are all the form of energy? Here the chemical energy, here also chemical energy, here also chemical energy, here also chemical energy. Here electromagnetic principle, we are going to use it to get the electricity. Here what is the energy we are utilizing to get the electricity? Sun. Sun, very good, very good. Sun will provide two energies. Can anyone tell what are those energies? Sun will provide two energies. Oh, that's all, that's all. Light and heat. Now you tell me which, light and heat, that's all, very good. Now you tell me which energy is utilized to produce electricity here? Think and tell, think and tell. Think and tell. Which energy is used to produce the light is the right answer. Light is the right answer. Okay, I will put one more question. Are we using this heat energy anywhere in our home? Where? That's all. That's all. Very good. That, see, the thing is very simple. If I have solar panel, I will produce electricity. Then I will give it to heater. Then I will get hot water. Isn't it? If you ultimately you want hot water, if you ultimately you want hot water, you no need to put these two. Simply you can put solar heater, then you can get the heater. Okay. Now let me stick with only electrical energy. So here the chemical energy, here also chemical, electromagnetic, and here it's the solar photons. Photoelectric is used to get the electric energy. Can anyone unmute yourself and tell me the definition for law of energy conservation? What is law of energy conservation says? What is law of energy conservation says? What is law of energy conservation? Very, very good, very good, very good, very good. Can anyone give a big clap to him? That's all. That's all. That is the idea behind this. Idea behind this. We are going to study electricity. We need some energy. We can't create anything. We are going to convert. What are all the forms I told you just now? So this is cell. This is cell. This is battery. This is cell, this is battery. In detail, we will see later. This is also called as battery. This is also called as battery. In your 12th standard book, you may find these two symbols. This is the difference between the cell and battery. These two are not similar. Okay, that in detail we will see later. Then what else? In our laboratory, we will use this kind of power supply. You may see this kind of power supply in your physics laboratory, in your lab. I'm not going to discuss much here because the same thing we will discuss in the Tinkercad software. One only thing is the symbol for the particular thing is little different. What is this? I'm having on arrowhead line. That means this is the variable. Okay, that's not all, you no need to bother. This kind of power supply only we are going to use it in our laboratory. Then what is this? What is this? Switch. What is the purpose of switch? What is the purpose of the switch? That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. Turn on and turn off is a two action we are going to carry it out with the help of the switch. If I don't have the switch in my home, what will happen? I don't. Yes, all the time it may be in off state, all that or else. If I connect up permanently, my mixer, grinder, TV, everything will be on for 24/7. இது நல்லா இருக்குமா இந்த scenario think பண்ணி பாருங்க.
No, sir. It leads to great
Okay.
energy resources.
Tell me. Well, no, okay.
It's
Overheat ஆனா வெடிச்சிரும். இன்னொருத்தர் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சொன்னாரு. Very good, very good. To conserve energy. See, these are all some resources, natural resources. How efficiently utilize, we need to think and do it. Okay. So the purpose of this is to on and off. That's all. Then what is this? Connecting wires. Now I will now see. Okay. Now I will ask one simple question. If I touch, see, if I touch my, see, wait a minute. If I touch my finger, how I can recognize this? I have touched this particular finger. How I can recognize this? How I will sense? Say okay, this signal நம்ம touch பண்ண signal இப்போ எங்க போச்சு?
brain.
Brain, very good, simple. Finger to brain. அப்ப நமக்கு என்ன கனெக்ஷன் எப்படி கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்குது? How it is connected? Nerve system. That's all. That's all. These are all electrical nerves. These are all electrical nerves. The connecting wires here we are used to connecting the elements. That's all. Whether it be a conductor or insulator. Can anyone tell me? Whether it is it must be it must be a conductor. It must be a conductor. But please see only this box. Within this box, whether you are having only conductor or whether we have insulator in this image.
Yes, sir.
Which color is insulation?
Blue color is insulator.
That's all. Yes. Why we need insulation?
Because to prevent electricity outside, sir. நம்ம கைக்கு வராம இருக்கா சார்.
So connecting wire consists of two things. It is a conducting wire, it may be copper or aluminum. It is enclosed with insulation wire. That's all. Now see, if you buy in the market, it will be in the coil shape. You can unwind and you can use it. That's all. Then resistor. Have you studied this word? Please make note of this one, resistor. What is the resistor? Okay. With this, I am going to stop this slide here. Let me enter into our Tinkercad software. Okay. And we will do the exercise of the first diagram, what we have seen. Okay. We will implement this one. Then we'll come back to the resistor. Okay. Please listen for some time. How to get into the Tinkercad, don't bother. I will tell you. Here, please observe what I am doing over here. Okay. So I have created a new circuit. See, whenever you enter into the Tinkercad software, it will look like this. This is called main window of your particular software. Okay. Here in the left hand side top corner, you can name your project. Okay. Or name your exercise. Let me put it as demo. Okay. Let me put it as demo. Let me put it as a demo. Okay. Then what are the things you can see over here? It shows my image. Why it shows my image? I log in with the help of my login ID. Okay. Then here it shows the symbol of the particular software. Then I have some shortcut icons as like your MS Office. See, if I move this is your Excel sheet. Here you see what are all these things? These are all some menu button, isn't it? Isn't it? In the same way, here also you have some menu, but in the form of icons. Then if you check here also, you have some menus. One by one we will learn. Before that, what is this thing appears in front of you in the right hand side? Can anyone tell? What is the order resistor? Okay, then okay. What is the other name for coins? That's all. That's all. Where you learn that point? Oh, okay, very good. Then this one. இது மட்டும் ஒரு சின்ன கரெக்ஷன் சொன்னேன். இங்கேயும் தப்பா தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கு. No. Battery cell it is totally wrong. இங்கேயும் கூட தப்பா தான் பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கு sometime. Cell, it is cell. This is battery. Battery is nothing but the combination of your cells. Okay, what is this? These are all the new components. We will skip. Okay, these are all some motors. Diode. Have you studied diode in your school days? Yes, sir. Where you have studied?
12th standard, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. This semiconductors, very good. What is this? Buzzer. Piezoelectric buzzer. What is this? Multimeter. Is it we okay? Is it we have this much component in this forum? No. If you drop down this box and click all, the list will get increased further. It has plenty of components, LEDs, so and all. You see, you have a power supply. Even you, I told you, no, we have a power supply over here. What we are going to use in our laboratory, the same pattern available here. So the left hand side, you have a scroll option to see number of components present in your particular software. Let me ask, what is this? What is this? Black color. Have you studied this and all? Okay, very good. So whatever the things you have studied basic, you are going to enhance the knowledge over here. So the point number one, it is the cloud-based software. Don't bother about the new term cloud-based software. Simply take it as a software. Then this is the icon of the particular company. This is the workspace where we are going to start do the work. These menus step by step we will learn. Okay, now what is our first task? What is our first task? We need one battery, then we need one switch and lamp, isn't it? How many components we need? Three. Very good. Okay. Fourth component and சொல்ல முடியுமா? What is the fourth? Excellent.
Connecting wires, sir.
Okay, but connecting wires are not present over here. What can I do for that? Let me wires எப்படி எடுக்கலாம்னு மட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாம். Okay, I am very first what we are going to do, we are going to do very simple exercise. Okay, let me start with the simple thing, basic. Okay, let me take all also, no issue. Take all, then go to where I need to go. I need to get some voltage sources. Voltage source, power. If you come to power menu, you will get the components. Okay, power menu, simply I am going to fetch this cell. I'm going to fetch this cell. Then I'm going to fetch the lamp. Where it is available, can anyone help me? Where we are having the lamp? Where we are having the lamp? If you find the lamp, stop me. If you find the lamp, stop me. இருக்கா சார்? நல்லா அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The components are available at the right hand side. I want to take the component from right hand side to left hand side. What I am going to do here, you can't view that. So I am going to explain it what I am doing here. Else let me show with the camera. See, I am going to, can you see the finger and mouse over here? Finger and mouse. I am going to left click. I am going to left click. Then I am going to drag the component. Then I am going to place it in the workplace. Then you need to release your finger. Okay, shall I repeat the procedure? Please observe. Left click. Mouse la rendu click irukku. Left click and right click. Okay, click left click and move, drag your mouse little and keep it in the workspace and leave the finger from the mouse. That's all. This is called drag and drop. What is this? What is the name of this operation? What we did? Drag and drop. That's all. That's all. So now I took to two lamps. I don't want this. How to delete this? There is one icon present over here to delete the component. Can anyone assist me? Which one is the delete icon? Second, that's all. That's all. That's all. Delete. If you click, it will get disappear. See, now I want to make this lamp to glow. Okay. Now I want to make the lamp to glow. What I am going to do here, I am going to bring the lamp and go, I am connecting here. That's all. I have connected the lamp with the cell. I didn't use any connecting wires in between because these two are open terminals. So straight away I can keep it over there. Now I need to make the lamp to glow. Whether my lamp is glowing or not, whether my lamp is, no. Okay. Say, what I need to do? Tell me.
Sir, you change the positive and
How?
negative.
How positive and negatives? See here in lamp we doesn't have any polarity. Okay, in lamp we doesn't have any polarity. Polarity means positive, negative. Red color means what? Red color means what?
Positive.
Black color
Negative.
means what? Negative. Please observe your lamp whether you have polarity in the terminal. No. Okay. Okay. So you can connect it any way. So let me connect it. Okay. Who told to click start simulation? Who told to click start? How you know start simulation? How you know that one? கண்ணா எப்படி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு? Oh, very good, very good. This is the play button, isn't it? This is the play button. The same play button which they have given to start the simulation. They typed some word also followed that. Now I am going to click this start. Please observe. Now I am going to click this icon. What happened? What are the changes? What are,
Bulb glows, sir.
okay, that is the first one. That is the first one. What is the second thing you observed here? Very good, very good. Timer starts. Timer starts 12 seconds, 14, 15, 16. This will give you the timing, how long it is working. Say, okay, how to turn off the lamp? Can anyone tell me? How to?
Sir, stop stimulation. Because
That's all. That's all. This is one way to make this lamp to glow. Okay. We used cell. Okay. Now we will take the battery. Where the battery is available? Where the battery is available? Where the battery? This is my battery. Yes. Okay. See, I need to make this battery also in the same orientation. What I need to do? Can anyone assist me? I need to rotate. Find the icon for rotate and tell me, assist me. Find the, where? Near the delete button. Very good. Near the delete button. See, rotate. Can anyone view this word rotate? If you
yes,
bring the
sir.
cursor nearby these symbols, okay, these symbols will give you the meaning. What for it is given. Okay, now simply I am going to rotate. Please observe. Again, I am going to click left click. One click. ஒரு ஆங்கிள் ரொட்டேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. செகண்ட் கிளிக் இன்னொரு ஆங்கிள். தேர்ட் கிளிக். இப்போ எவ்வளோ கிளிக் பண்ணி நம்ம அதை ஒரு ஷேப் கொண்டு வந்தோம்? How many times? 3 times. That's all. Now I need same lamp. I need to use it here. In MS Office, if you type something, if you want same thing to repeat, what you will do? Copy paste. Very good, very good. Here also you can do copy paste. How you can do copy paste? Click the particular component, come to your keyboard, plus control C you need to press. Okay, then release the finger, place the cursor somewhere, place control V. And the display என்ன வந்திருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. Display என்ன வந்திருக்கு? That's all. So copy and paste option is also available in this software. Unless otherwise you click my mouse, this component will be in the floating. Now I'm going to keep the component over here. Now I want to make this lamp to glow. If I click start simulation, whether both the lamps will turn on or only this lamp will get turned on?
Both the lamps.
That is the right answer. Now you tell me what is the difference between these two intensity. Why? Same
It has
software.
it has more power, sir. Battery.
Very good. More power, more energy. It has more energy. How we got more energy? You have more voltage, more 9 volt. So if I increase the voltage brightness, ultimately what happens? It gets increased. That's all.
Increase.
That's all. Last source. What is the another source we need to see? Our power supply. Let me pick the power supply. But power supply, I have too many things over here. No need to bother about it. Okay, only find the positive and negative terminal from this power supply. Can anyone tell where it is available? Positive and red
So
and
in
red
bottom, sir.
and black. Down, down. Okay, okay, very good. Very good. Now I am going to pick the same lamp. What I need to do? Control C. That's all. Copy paste. Copy paste. The lamp அதில் போய் உட்காந்துருச்சா இப்போ பவர் சப்ளைல கனெக்ட்
Yes,
ஆயிடுச்சா
sir.
see simply if I keep the lamp between the terminal it will get connect okay okay now I'm going to do the same star simulation principle start simulate my lamp glows isn't it okay
Yes, sir.
okay now I want to turn off this lamp what I need to do
Sir, turn off button, sir.
That
So
very
in
good,
power.
very good. Stop. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Stop simulation is the first one. I can do it. This is one way. What is the second way? I have on.
Sir, turn off button, sir.
That's all. I have on off control. If you turn on this one, my lamp will get turned on. If I turn off this one, my lamp. Okay. Now you tell me if I turn on the switch, how many lamps gets turned on in this window?
Only one, sir.
Three. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, okay. Now you tell me. Now you tell me whether only three or more than three is present here. Now you observe. Now you observe only this. Now you observe only this one and tell me. Now you now, now you observe only this. Wait a minute. Dear students, dear engineers, please wait. Observe only this connection and tell. What are the two? What are the two? Green light, green light. This is your power on indication light. What is this? Power on
Yes.
indication. Okay, in your refrigerator in your home, how you will check whether the refrigerator is on? If you check the stabilizer light, you can identify. Okay, that is called LED light. Very good, very good. It is LED light, but it is not looks like. I am keeping the lamp in front of this. I'm unable to see the readings from that. So for the purpose, what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the component here. Now I'm going to connect these two components. Please listen. Now I'm going to connect these two components with the help of connecting wires. Please observe and tell me when wire appears, please tell me. What is this? What is wire? How I got the connecting wire? Can tell me? No. Wait. Right, no magic. No magic. Left click. What is this? Left
Left
click the
click on
particular
the.
component. Whenever you keep the cursor nearby the particular terminal, it will show the red box. There I need to click. Then, if I move my mouse, my wire will come in the workspace. What I need to do, I need to connect this connecting wire to my lamp. Okay, so see, this is the first point, this is the second point I have connected. Okay, then when my lamp will glow, whether my lamp will glow now?
No, sir.
No. What I need to do? What I need to do?
So
What I
you
need to do?
another connect.
Okay, then drag the mouse. Very good. Then once terminal reached, what I need to do? No. Left click. Then remove the cursor. Remove the mouse. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I repeat the procedure once again? Shall I repeat the procedure? Okay, once again. Now I'm going to do one action. Can anyone tell what is this? What happened now? What happened? How I have deleted this one? No, control is it is
Undo button.
undo button. There is one more button available. That's all. See, this is the delete button. If I click delete button, that will get delete automatically. You have two options to delete the things available in this Tinkercad. The first one is this icon. If you click this icon also, that will get delete. The shortcut is delete button. Okay, now I have connected my lamp. I'm not happy with this green color. Positive means I need to follow some color coding in my circuit diagram. What color I will prefer for this wire. By
Red.
default, what color it appears over here?
Red color.
Green. I need to change the color. Where red color is available, please help me. Second. That's all. What about the second one? Black. Where it is available?
First one.
Which one?
First one.
First one. That's all. Now, start simulation. By default, it gives only 5-volt input to this lamp. Okay, now we are going to see two more options available in the power supply. Please observe. I'm going to do one thing. What is this? What I am doing over here? I am no. Okay, I am rotating the knob. What I am doing here? I am rotating the knob. Okay, I am rotating the knob. Please listen. I kept it in the 0-volt. Slowly I am increasing the voltage gradually. What is the maximum voltage I can get from this? Can anyone tell me? 30 volt. 30 volt. Very good. See, okay. Shall we try to, okay, shall we increase the voltage step by step? Yes. What I need to do? Bring the cursor, left click, then move the cursor. Hey, some simple appear over there. Okay, don't bother. Overheat. Okay, wait, okay. Overheat. Okay, very good. Now we will observe only the voltage. Don't bother about the remaining things. What is the maximum attained over there?
30 volt.
30 volt. So, okay, but I am not happy with this. My lamp got damaged, isn't it? Why? Due over voltage, very good. Once you apply greater than rated voltage to the particular component, my lamp will get damaged. Here the software is too clever. It is going to tell me that rated voltage of the component. I am not going to tell. You people need to tell what is the rated voltage of the particular lamp.
So 12.1 volt.
Exactly, it is 12 volt. Okay, what is the beauty of the power supply? I can measure the current through the circuit also. What is the symbol over here? 250 small m.
Milliampere.
What is the meaning of milliampere?
So cool.
Wait, into 10 power -3. It's the right answer. It is the right answer. Don't bother about that. We are not going to in depth in that. Likewise, we are going to do plenty of things over here. The first exercise is not yet completed. What is the thing missing over? What is the thing missing in this diagram? Switch. Very good. Where switch is available? Please help me. Please help me to fetch the switch. Kana, how I am doing the scrolling action? This is a scroll button available in the mouse, isn't it? If I scroll like this, my image will move up and down. Okay, very good. Now, where my switches are available? Switch, push number, slide switch. What is the name of the switch? Slide switch. Okay, what are the other switches? Push button, very good. Push button. Then what else? How many switches? Inge no switch irukku. Inge oru switch irukku. Inge dip switch. That's all. That much is sufficient. Dip switch, slide switch, and push button are the 3 categories available in Tinkercad. But now we need this type of this. Actually, particularly the name of the switch is called toggle switch. What is the name of the switch? Toggle switch. That switch is not available, but we have a slide switch. Slide means what? Moving left and right, isn't it? Slide to and fro or left and right. Okay. Now we got the switch. Now I need to make the connection. Now I need to make the connection. Before that I need to observe my circuit diagram, store the circuit diagram into your brain, then close your notebook, think the circuit diagram and give the connection. I will give you 1 more minute to store the circuit diagram. Please store the circuit diagram into your brain. Yes? Tell me, Kanna. Yes, tell me. Okay, I think everyone stored it. Now we will come back. I need to delete these wires. How to delete? Select. Okay, select. That's all. That's all. That's all. Very good, very good, very good. Listen. Now I need to arrange the components as per the circuit diagram. First I have the battery. Sorry, here circuit diagram is here. Sorry. First I have battery, then I have the switch, then I have the lamp. Okay, the same order I am going to arrange the components. So first my power supply, second is my switch, third is my lamp. Okay, I have arranged it. Then I need to identify the terminals. I need to identify the terminals. Terminal is nothing but the connecting points. This is one, 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 this is another one. Each component has how many terminals? Two. My first task is to find where is these two terminals. My first task is to find where are these two terminals. What is this? Plus minus. Power supply terminals over. This is my lamp. I have two terminals. No, okay. In switch, how many terminals are there? Three. Right. Please observe clearly. How many terminals are there? Terminal 1, 3. 3 is the right answer. Terminal 1, common, and terminal 2. Okay? But how many terminals we need? Two. 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 Please make note of it. Please make note of it. Always I need to use common terminal first. I need to use common terminal first as the input terminal. Common terminal as the input terminal. Then I can use either terminal 1 or terminal 2 as the output terminal. What is the new terminology I spelled over here? Input and output terminal. It's very simple. What is input terminal and output terminal? Where you are going to give the energy is the input. Where we are going to take the energy is the output. Is it very simple to you? So if you to make the terminal notation over here in the same diagram, what are all the name you will write over here? This one must be what? This one must be what? Common. Then what may be this name? Either terminal, very good. Either terminal 1 or terminal 2, but we are going to use terminal 2. Please take a screenshot of this one. Please take the screenshot of this one because after the class you are going to do the simulation with the help of the circuit diagram. Okay. Yes, tell me. Tell me. Very good, very good, very good, very good. I will tell you one thing. Kakana, if you don't mind, shall I give this answer at the end of the class? Very good, very good, very good. Thank you. Please remind me, I will give the answer. Let me finish little flow of today's class. Okay, then in the question answer session, definitely I will answer that question. Okay, now you help me to make the connection. First, I need to start from positive terminal of my source. Where I need to connect positive to where?
Switch.
Common. Positive to switch, common. Okay? But if I connect like this, whether my negative terminal is visible, then what I can do, please observe. What? Drag down, very good, drag down, then connect. See, drag down, then connect means again it is going the same way.
Drag down and click the left button. Then
Hey, very good, very good. Who told left click? Who told left click? Very good. Please give a great applause to him. Very good. Now I am going to left click. Okay, now you tell me whether I need to move my mouse to left hand side direction or right hand side direction.
right hand side.
Very good, right hand side. Then I reached nearly common terminal. Now what I need to do? Again left click. Very good. Then move up or down.
Upwards direction.
That's all. That's all. First connection is over. Then. And now please everyone unmute your mic. Somebody say yes. Very good. Now from the output terminal, where I need to connect? Where I need lamp. One end of the lamp. Okay. One end of the lamp. Which terminal I am going to use? I told you just now. Terminal 2. Again left click. Whether I need to move left or right?
Right side.
Right is the right, correct answer. Then again I need to turn, terminate, left click, then move upward. That's all. Now you help me to finish the only one wire where I need to connect other end of the lamp to the. That's all. How I can do it? Shall I start from here or here? Which one you like, you tell me. Very good. From power supply. Let me do it from here. Left click, move up. Again left click, move right. Then come down. Again left click, move cursor. Destination reached. Okay? Now what I need to do to make the lamp to. Okay, what are all things pending here? Color change. Assist me to give the colors. Red color. Okay. Then what about this one? Black. That's all. Then this one, what I can give? Green la irundhale nalla irukum, no issue. But as for this lamp is red is most optimal color. Okay, because we are not connected any negative in the switch. Okay, we are not connected any negative terminal in this switch. We never connect positive and negative terminal in your switch. That definition I will clarify later. At this moment I am going to change the color. That's all. What are all the steps I need? Yes, red dhaan kudukanum. Yes, red. All right. Now please assist me to make the lamp to glow. Step by step.
So turn on the power supply.
Very first time. Start simulation. Please make note of it. Please take your notebook and note. First point. After giving the connection. Okay, I will repeat the procedure what we have did. Please make note of it. Pick the components. First point. Pick the components. Point number 1. Point number 2. Arrange the components. Point number 3. Refer circuit diagram. Point number 4. Give the connection step by step. As per the circuit diagram. Then next point, before power the diagram, recheck once whether we have followed the same connection. Since it is a simple connection, we know this connection is totally correct, or else I need to check with the circuit diagram once again. This particular point is called precaution. Please make a bracket and note it down. It is a precaution. What is that? This is the first precaution. Before giving the power supply, I need to ensure that whether my circuit diagram is right or wrong. Okay, then after connection, this is and all how to construct the circuit diagram. Stage 2, how to start make the circuit to work. Click start simulation. Click start simulation. But still my lamp is off. Please help me to which switch? Which switch? Which switch? Which switch? In power sub. It is not push button. That is not. This is not. Slide switch. Slide switch. Very good. Slides, but not button. Slide switch. In the button shape like object, then button solve. Okay, ba? This is not in a button shape. How to make this to on? Simply bring the cursor over here. Left click. Yes, clap, give a clap, lamp. We did first exercise without any correction. Okay, yes, very good. How to make the lamp to off? How to make the lamp to off? Where I need to click? Where I need to click? Left or right? Left or? It's very simple. Okay, engineers. Okay, engineers, please listen. Wherever you find this black, there I need to bring the switch. I need to move this from to here and here. So I need to click left. So left click to turn off, right click is to turn on. Okay, that's all. That's all. If I decrease the intensity, lamp will glow dim. If I increase the voltage, intensity will get increased. Now, I'm going to increase this brightness purposely. Purposely, I'm going to make it, and I'm going to read one error message. Please read the message and take the screenshot also. Take the screenshot also. Can anyone read loudly? What is this? Can anyone read this? Current through the light bulb. Okay, okay. What it means, madam? What it means? What it means? Point number 1, at present, my lamp draws 346 milliampere. Very good. Then point number 2. No. No, wait. What is the maximum current? 250 milliampere. Let me reduce the voltage 12 volt and observe the current. Keep exactly 12 volt. See, actually, I'm unable to keep exactly 5 volt. For that, I have one more option. Click the particular source, immediately one window will get appear. Can you see this window? There, if you want to give exact voltage, please bring the cursor over here. Click backspace to delete the previous one and type the voltage what you want exactly. I need to give exactly 12. See, check the current, madam. Check the current. This is the rating of this lamp. Okay, this is the rated current of the lamp. This is the rated voltage of the particular same lamp. Okay, now is it possible to limit the current with the help of this source? Yes, that is also possible. See, I am going to limit the current by changing this knob. See, here I can give limitation of current value. Say example 1 ampere. If I stick with 1 ampere, my dial will place in 1. If I change this to 2, my dial will change it to 2. Can see this change? Can see this change? 1, 2. Okay, now what setting we need to keep it for our exercise? How much I need to type here? 5, no. 12 volt. What is the current I need to print over here? 250 milli ampere, 250 small m, 250 small m. Okay, 250. Oh, that current rating we need to set it. Let me set 1 and check. Yes, the special characters are not allowed. Therefore, I am going to keep 0.25 and check. 0.25 is nothing but what? That's all. No, it's now now I lamps now it is not damaged. Can you see this? If you made perfectly setting unknowingly, if you increase the voltage, off ஆயிடுச்சு. Very good. இங்க இருக்கும்போது switch offல இருக்கா? Slide switch off. Very good, very good, very good. See, now you people start teaching to me, isn't it? See, அப்போ lamp glow ஆகுது, damage காட்டுது, but current won't go beyond 300 milliampere from the source. Okay, okay, current limit, current limit alone you skip. Remaining things are clear for you now. Now you tell me what are all these knobs? What are all these knobs? What are all these knobs? This is to adjust voltage. This is to adjust. This is to adjust. What is this? What is this? On off button.
Power
What is
supply.
this? What is this? That's all. That's all.
Terminal.
That's all. With this, we are going to continue little theory. Now you see this image and identify what are all things you have seen over there. What is this? On off switch. What is this? What is this? Okay, okay. What is this? What is this? You see, there are some power supplies, there you will have only voltage adjust option. There are some power supplies, you have both the voltage and current option. That kind of thing also available in our laboratory. Now you tell me, what is the maximum voltage that this power supply can deliver? Where it is printed? After, very good, 30 volt. Okay, okay, what is the current range of the particular source? Very good, very
2
good.
ampere.
That's all. With this, it is over. One more thing, one more thing. Do we have this lamp in our Tinkercad? Do we have this lamp in our Tinkercad?
Yes, sir.
That's all. My task over. My task is over. My task is over. Next one, resistor. Next one, resistor. Please take your notebook and write whatever things present over there, or take one screenshot moment of time. So resistor is the one of the element, basic element, fundamental element used in our electrical system. It going to serve one function. Actually, in the first exercise, we faced one problem. We are unable to control the current flow through the circuit, isn't it? Due to that reason, what happened? My device got damaged, isn't it? And a very simple, I have one bigger highways. Not a highway, it is a one small street. Here I am having one hospital. Here I am having one school. Okay? This is the two-way direction road. Here usually the vehicle will travel in this. What I need to, additional things I need to add it in the street. Very good, very good. Where I need to introduce? Shall I introduce speed brake here? Before school. Then where? This is hospital, this is school. After the hospital. Okay. If I travel from this direction, how many speed brakes you need? How many speed brakes you need? 3. Why? No, you forget this. How much you need? Why I need 3 speed brakes? Okay, here in electrical system, what we need to control? Which Which one is correct? Flow of current or voltage? Okay. At this point of time, I am going to narrow down the thing. Flow of current is the right answer. Okay. Voltage never flows. Voltage never flows. Only current only flows. Voltage will give some pressure. You leave it that physical terminologies at this point of time. Voltage flow. Now you tell me, have you seen the signboard available in the street? What is the sign for this speed breaker? Speed breaker sign எப்படி இருக்கும்? யாரா சொல்ல முடியுமா? எப்படி இருக்கும்? இப்படி இருக்குமா? எப்படி இருக்கும்? Semicircle is the right answer. Very good. Semicircle இப்படி இருக்கும். பட் இதுல வெறும் semicircle இருக்காது, வேற ஒன்று இருக்குமே. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி
கண்டினியூஸா இருக்கும் சார்.
இப்படி இருக்குமா கண்ணா? இப்படி இருக்குமா? இது பூரா டாட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்களா? கரெக்டா? வெரி குட். இந்த சைன் இருக்கா? நம்ம இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சிம்பிள் படிச்சிருக்கோம் நம்ம ஸ்கூல் டேஸ்ல. இது இந்த உள்ள இருக்கிறது மட்டும் இல்லைன்னா அந்த சிம்பிள் வந்துடும். லெட் மீ டிரா யூ. Very good. Please give a great applause to her. That is the right answer is the ohm symbol. See how they correlated, how they invented this symbol, how they given this to that. I don't know that. I don't know the. Wait a minute. I don't know the. Hey, hello. Hey, recording போயிட்டு இருக்கு. My dear students, don't do oral conversation. Recording is going on. I don't know how they invented this symbol, but this may be the reason. If I want to travel, if I want to limit the speed, this is speed break. Then here I need to reduce the speed, then I need to travel. In the same way, we are going to control the electron flow in our circuit. For that, we are going to use this resistor. That's all. Here, the one more thing is even here, resistance. Please write these two words. Resistor and resistance. Resistor is different. Resistance is different. Gajendran is different. Gopal is different. Name எல்லாமே different தானே கண்ணா? அதுக்கு purposeம் different தான். But then what is the purpose of this resistance? Please read this. Can anyone read this sentence loudly? அப்ப இதை என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம்? இது ரெசிஸ்டரோட என்னது? இது ரெசிஸ்டரோட என்னது? எபிலிட்டி. ஓகே, யூனிட் கிடையாது. Find some other word. Capacity ன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, any other word?
Value.
Use ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Very good. Where other word? Function. Very good. It is a function. Very good. Is the one answer. The function of the resistor is to limit the current flowing to the circuit. Okay. Or otherwise, property. What is that? Property. What is the property of the resistor? It is used to limit the current. Function is also the right answer. Please give the great applause to him. Function is the right answer. Property, you can spell it as property also. Okay, so it is going to serve this function. Okay, resistor is the physical component. Okay, how many different ways to travel? நமக்கு travel பண்றதுக்கு என்னென்ன ways எல்லாம் இருக்குது? Okay, நீ விட்டுருங்க, அப்படி வேண்டாம். Let me put in the different way. You may see different type of speed breaks in your streets, isn't it? Different type of speed breaks. இப்படி ஒரு ஸ்பீட் பிரேக் இருக்கும். அப்புறம் அதில் டைமென்ஷன் கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக இருக்கும். தென் இதனால ஆக்சிடென்ட் அக்கர் ஆகும் ஹைவேஸில். தேர்ஃபோர் இன் ஹைவேஸில் மைல்டு ஸ்பீட் பிரேக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கண்டினியூஸாக வச்சுருப்பாங்க, ஒரு 10. கரெக்டா? அப்போ இதெல்லாம் என்னது? டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீட் பிரேக். In the same way, we have type of resistors. Point number 1, fixed resistor. Point number 2, please make note of these two things: fixed resistor and variable resistor. But I should not write it as fixed resistance. எழுதக்கூடாது. நம்ம ஒருத்தவங்க பேரை சொல்லி கூப்பிடும்போது அவங்களோட குணத்தை சொல்லக்கூடாது. கரெக்ட் தானே? இந்த சேம் வே ஐ ஷுட் நாட் ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் இட் ஆஸ் அ ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். என்னன்னு சொல்லணும் ஆல்வேஸ்? அந்த நேம் வச்சு தான் கூப்பிடணும். திஸ் இஸ் நேம் ஆஃப் த காம்பனன்ட், திஸ் இஸ் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஆஃப் த காம்பனன்ட் ஆர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் த காம்பனன்ட். ஓகே, தென் what is the takeaway point from this slide? Name, function, types. Simple, two types. What is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me? Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. What is resistor? What is this? That's all. That's all. Symbolic representation of the particular component. The resistor may be too small or medium or big. The symbol will be same. It is a universal symbol. It is the IEEE standards. There are few standards to draw the symbol. That and all we will teach you later. Now, in this point of time, this is the real image of the resistor. This is the symbolic representation of your. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Now we have seen fixed resistor. What will be the second type? What will be the second type? Variable resistor. Very good. Now you tell me what is in left hand side, what is in right hand side. Image and its symbolic representation. What is the other name for variable resistor? Where it is given,
potentiometer.
Where it is given. Slide. How you come to know? Wait a minute. How to come to know that? That is our mantra. That is our mantra. Whenever you see anything, first what you have to do? Read. Synonym, correlate. That's all. 3 mantra. See, 3 mantras. Read. Then synonym. Then correlate. Here we are going to skip 2 points. Simply we are going to read it and we are going to remember this name at this point of time. We will find the synonym and correlate later. Come to symbol immediately. What is the difference between these two? What is the difference between the previous symbol and the present? Arrow mark is the right answer. See, regulate panikalam. Please give a clap to him. Please give a clap to him. He told the function of this. Very good. See, whenever I see any new things, I need to compare. I need to compare with the previous one. Because if you take this image as a new one to your brain, you need to allocate the separate memory space in your brain. Instead of that, if I compare these two images, you can use the same memory equation what you have used for the resistor. There you will add one more point that will save your memory space. We are hungry with memories, but human memory is huge. How much percentage of my human brain we are using? Can anyone tell? The actual person, normal person, how much percentage of memory? Hardly 10%. 2% is also possible. Whenever you sleep, what is the percentage of usage of your brain? 50%. Okay, during sleeping it is 50%. Why not be it is 0%? During sleeping whether my during sleeping also our organs are doing some work. இங்க நம்ம மட்டும் தான் நைட் தூங்குறோம், நம்ம பிரெயின் நைட் தூங்காது. 24/7 it works. Okay, leave the story, come to the symbol immediately. See, what is the key point here means, whenever you study new things, don't store it in new memory space, keep it in the old memory space with some additional points. So this is the actual resistor. If I draw like this, Then if we put the head, this will become a variable resistor. That's all. That's all. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Not now. Wait a minute. Not now. After I drawn the actual resistor symbol, now you take the screenshot. This is fixed resistor. This is fixed resistor. Compare yourself. Compare yourself. Whatever things you have learned earlier and now. In the same way only we started our class. What we studied in the school and what we have studied, what we are going to study here is the again on comparison. What we did, why we did that one? To reduce the memory space in our brain. What is this? Color இருக்குது. What is this? What is this? What is this? Dear students, what is this? Am I audible? Color coding. In resistor, to mention the color bands. Okay, then see, this is my resistor. Top we mentioned something 4-band resistor. In bottom we gave some value of the resistor. By if you see the actual resistor, whether the value is printed over there, no. Then how it gives the information? It gives the information in the form of rings coding. There are how many rings available here? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is also called as a band. First band, second band, third band, and fourth band. Okay, va? Order of the band start from left hand side. First band, second band, and this is what? First band. This is what? Second band. This is what? Third. This is what? Fourth. That's all. Now we are going to do one small exercise. What we are going to do? We are going to do one small exercise. Here the value is given, tolerance is given in terms of percentage. Today we are not going to bother about the tolerance. We are going to focus on only value of the resistor. This is 5-band resistor. Here you have 5-band. Beyond that, I am not going to tell anything in this. In later classes, we will discuss. If possible, you browse it today and tell me what is the 5th band. Okay, let me tell this one in clear. First band, second band, third band, and fourth band. What is first band? What is second band? What is third band? What is fourth band? We will see here very clearly. Please help me to identify the colors. What is the color of the first band? Brown. What is the color of the second band? Black. What is the color of the third band? Yellow. What is the color of the fourth band? Now what we are going to do means, see these colors. Hey, okay, யாருக்கோ தெரியுது ட்ரை பண்றீங்க. Okay, I will do one thing. Can anyone tell me the value of this resistor? Because someone trying to get the answer. Let me give 2 minutes to find the value of the resistor. Then I will tell you step by step. Don't worry. If your friends are telling some answer, I won't leave with that. I will, if it correct also, I will explain step by step. Can anyone tell me the value of the resistor? Try is the good activity. 10 into 10 power 4 plus or minus 5. Without delay, what we have to do? Everyone, what we have to do? Without delay. That's all. Give a big clap to him. This is the right answer. It is not a very simple, it is not a very tough thing. Now we will wait for some time. Now our friend will explain what is this. Now whoever told the right answer, can you tell me your name please? Can I ask something answer correct? Kabilan, please unmute yourself and teach us how you have calculated. You teach, I will write. Do it first. Okay. Let me take first band. Okay. brown. So I need to refer the chart. Value, very good. I need to take the value. What is the value correspond to brown? 1. Okay, let me put it as a 1. Then sir, then okay, let me take the second one. Let me take the second one. What is the value correspond to the black? 0. Let me fetch the 0 here. 10. Kabilan continue. Yellow color, very good. What is the, wait Kabilan. Anyone else, find the value of the yellow in the chart and tell me. 4, where 4? Sir, wait. Pathya, correct. Very good. Please remember, first two things are digit band. What is this? Digit, D-I-G-I-T. This is first digit. This is second digit. What about the third one? It is the multiplier band. The third one is the multiplier band. What about the fourth one? It is the tolerance band. As per the 4-band resistor is concerned, the first column corresponds to the first two bands, first band and second band. The second column is correspond to the third band. What about the tolerance? It is my fourth band. Okay, continue Kabilan. Continue Kabilan. Third, I need to substitute what? Whether I need to take 4 or 10 to the power 4. I need to take 10 to the power 4. Then, what is the fourth band? Gold. Where gold appear present? Gold. Fold one. Tolerance band. Very good. Let me, very good. Let me take that also. Plus or minus 5%. Everyone, please take the screenshot of this one. Please take the screenshot of this one. So whenever you see resistor, find the colors available. Then identify which one is the first band, Can anyone tell how to identify which one is the first band? See the left hand side. See, I can keep the resistor in like this also. That time left hand side confusion will come. See, whenever if you find the first two bands are too close, the third band is have little distance, the fourth band have much distance. Can you find this difference? So the fourth band will always have much difference between the previous line. So that particular thing I need to keep it in right hand side. This one I need to keep it in left hand side. Then only I need to start do this calculation. So point number 1, pick the resistor. Then find this difference. Then keep the resistor accordingly. Then find the individual digits. Compare the table and take the values. Up to this it is over. How I can convert this into a single number? Start right. First digit 1. Second digit 0. What is third? It is not a digit, it is a multiplier. So into 10 to the power 4. What about the fourth one? It is the percentage. Plus or minus 5%. Now I am going to skip this tolerance alone. I am going to bother about only this value. What is the actual value of this one? Let me erase everything present over here. 1 lakh சொன்னா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, ஒன்றும் தப்பு இல்லை. Now I will, யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க நெருங்கிட்டீங்க. 10 to the power of, இங்க பாருங்க, wait a minute. 10க்கு I represented 10. First of all, please observe. You people will feel difficulty to write these notations. Please observe this 2 minutes. It is very clear. Bring 10 first. Then add number of zeros equal to the power. How many zeros I need to add? 4. Okay, sir? Then what I need to do, rewrite the number once again and use 10,000 divisions to simplify this. 3 zeros kaduthu ஒரு comma. Then what I need to do? 2 0 kaduthu ஒரு comma. What is the value of the resistor? 1 lakh. ரொம்ப பிக்கரா இருக்கா? இதுக்கு தான் ஒரு engineering notation available. The 3 zeros I can call it as a kilo. அப்ப இதோட வேல்யூ என்னவா இருக்கும்? 100 kilo. That's all. Please take the screenshot. Don't bother about this one. Whoever not understanding this concept, don't worry. N number of time we are going to do this calculation. You will never forget this one. Even if I wake up and ask you also, you can tell this one. Don't worry. At this point of time, take screenshot of this one. I'm going to switch over to the second slide. Tinkercad. So I told you how to get into the Tinkercad. I will tell you later. This is the Tinkercad. So who invented this one? Autodesk is the brand name of the particular company. They have plenty of software within their hand. This Tinkercad is the one of the software to help electrical science discipline. Because this Autodesk is famous for mechanical domain. They have how many products in their hand? They have more than 100 products in their hand. Okay, these are all few products. AutoCAD is the one, it's for 2D, 3D design. Fusion 360 also a current trend, it is going on for mechanical design. This is the only thing it is related to us. Skip remaining things, concentrate only in this at this point of time, this Tinkercad. What is this Tinkercad? The Tinkercad is not it is not a single tool, it is going to do multiple things. What is present over here? Flat is boring. What it means? Flat is boring. If you draw everything in a single flat, நமக்கு போரா இருக்கும். அது ஒரு 3D ஷேப்ல பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். So this particular software mainly focus on 3D design is the point number 1. What is the second function of this software? It also focuses electronics. What is the third functionality of this software? It also focuses on coding. But what we are going to focus at this point of time, we are going to focus only this electronics. Okay, coding and all we will consider subsequtive labs, subsequtive semester you will come to know. Okay, now I need to get into the software. What is the address from where I can find? www.tinkercad.com is the address, web address. What address? Website address, web address. Please make note of this address. If you type this one in the Google, you can get it into the particular thing. Once you get into the things, this is the main window appear over there. There you have the option called Join Now. You need to click this Join Now. Thereafter, how to log in, what are the things you need to do, that we will tell you in later. Okay, there are few things I need to show in this class. These things we will discuss in the next class. Can you tell me what is appear front of you?
DC voltmeter.
How direct current voltmeter is the exact answer. Very good. What is how many terminals are available over there? 2 terminals. Do we have any color coding over there? That's all. Do we have separate symbol for this voltmeter?
Yes, sir.
How to draw symbol means put together. First I need to draw one circle, then I need to make 2 terminals. Inside I need to decide whether, say, okay, which quantity you can measure with the help of this instrument? Voltage. If you want to measure voltage, select voltmeter. Then there is one more line present over this. What is this? Direct current. Very good. Direct current is the right answer. Then plus minus. Okay. Then what is this?
Meter. Direct current.
Ammeter. What is the? See. Now you recollect. In particular diagram, எது கூட compare பண்ணுவ? Resistor கூட compare பண்ணுவியா? Voltmeter கூட compare பண்ணுவியா? That's all. In your brain, already you have a circle, you have a V and this line. Now I need to replace this V with A. Then it will become a meter. Then what is this? See, these two meters capable of measuring only one quantity. Voltmeter is capable of to measure only voltage. Ammeter is capable of measuring only current. Then what about this multimeter engineer, please? Volt and ampere, but here if it is it can measure only volt and meter means they will called as they may named as two quantity meter nu பேர் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. Here they named as a multimeter. What may be the reason? We can measure multi, no. Not n number. We can measure multi quantities, electrical quantities. Whatever the quantities I know, voltage I know, current I know. Okay, current I know. Very good, very good. Who told resistance? Please give a clap. You can measure the resistance with the help of this multimeter. Okay, that we will check it in the next class. Please take the screenshot of this image. What is the name of this? What is the breadboard? We will see these functions under later. Don't bother about this. How many layers are there? Top layer and bottom layer. Okay, then vertical columns. What is that? Vertical columns. What is the fourth point? Channels or divider. What? Only four point you take it in your mind. Take the screenshot of this one. I'm going to finish this with the last slide. This is the breadboard front view. This is the rear view. If you turn your breadboard, at the bottom side of the breadboard, this is the actual thing present over there. Okay? What does these things means? What are things you have seen in the red line? All conducting materials. Conducting material na அது என்னவா இருக்கும்? என்னென்ன மெட்டீரியல் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் கண்டக்டிங்க்கு என்னெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? Steel, copper, metal. So these are all conductors. What about this white? What material it is? Any guess? Insulator. Very good. Very good. It is not rubber. It is a polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Okay? That's all. That's all. Do you have any questions you can raise? Already one person asked me one question. Since it is exactly 11 o'clock, the common, very next class we will start with common. Okay. Thank you very much. Try to have a same enthusiasm in all the classes. Then only two-way communication is possible. What is two-way communication? That's all. That's all. That will make you the effective class. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Take care. Take care. Take care. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. இல்ல அந்த ஃபோன்